It looks very, very nice. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here with a 3D printer that is not working anymore. I've been using it for 3 months, but I think what is more important is how much plastic we've been using. So I've been using 5 spools so far, and I got now 3 print failures in a row, as you could see here. Fortunately, I did not waste too much plastic. I was monitoring the print. Let me show you up close what happened here and what might be the cause of the failure. Let's look at the print failure in more details here. As you can see, it's a very steady pattern here. So this is, if you Google that, this is due to under-extrusion, most likely. So it can be due to a poor filament, it can be due to failure of the feeder, or a clogged nozzle, or partly clogged. In my case, as you can see, I've been printing a lot, never had problems, so I don't think it's the filament. And because of the pattern that is, as you can see here, very consistent on the line, I don't think it's the nozzle. I think it would be more random throughout the surface if it was the nozzle. So I'm going to change my feeder. I bought on Amazon this aluminum feeder kit for about $20 US. It's available from a few suppliers. I think you can get that from banggood.com, but I got mine here from these guys here on Amazon. So I'm going to install that, and by coincidence I had printed the handle here. I call it the valve because it looks like a big valve here, red, so it's going to fit perfectly in terms of a color scheme. So let's install this, and I'll start the same print and see what happens. Before installing the new feeder, I just want to show you what you get in the kit here. As you can see, we have the new feeder installed with what I like to call my valve, or it's a knob actually. So we can see here the whole assembly. It looks very, very nice, and if you print this upgrade, this knob, then you can print it red and you'll have a nice feeder assembly. We are now printing with the new feeder, a new part, very similar to the one I printed here where I had my 3 failures. And you can see here the under extrusion right here. I call it Morse code. It's like dots. So we will see if our new feeder gives us a better result in about half an hour. Our print is now completed, and if you look at the side finish of this first test, it looks like really perfect compared to the previous one that we had here. So I'm going now to print a big part for my second project, and we'll see what kind of results we get. We have here the same piece where I had the 3 failures in a row. As you can see here, there is no under extrusion. I just put some putty here for the imperfection, but as you can see, compared to what we had before over here, where we had like a lot of under extrusion, this is not the case over here. So it looks like our new feeder is doing a very, very good job. So I'm quite happy with this upgrade. So thank you guys for watching. As always, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.